You guys ever drive your Jeep and then the whole engine just falls down? Like the motor mount breaks like right off the side of the fucking car and the whole engine just, you know, falls down and lands like on whatever it can land on underneath the car. Look at this shit. Like the motor mount broke right off the fucking block. You cannot make stuff up like this. All right, this is a video where I'm trying to fix this broken motor mount mess. As you can see in this picture, the bolts kind of broke off, you know, in the engine block. They didn't break off flush. Even if it did break off flush, there's no room for a drill bit, a screw extractor. There's just no room for any of that stuff. This is a job for a MIG welder. So you're just going to take your welder and like a 1/2-13 nut. You're going to use like a magnet to hold the nut in the side of the block, and you're going to weld the nut onto the broken fastener inside the engine. You kind of got to go slow, but you don't want to like, you know, apply a bunch of baby tack welds. You got to really like hold the trigger down for a few seconds at a time to get a good amount of heat into the fastener, or your weld's not going to stick to the broken bolt in the block. And then they just kind of come out. You want to get your wrench on them as soon as possible while they're still glowing orange, like you see here. You're going to get the bolts out, and then you're going to put new bolts in their place. They're 3/8 coarse thread, 1 inch long. Grade 8 hardware was here. You're going to want to get grade 8 or grade 10 bolts. I might recommend grade 10. Grade 8 sure didn't stand up to the challenge that they had before them. You got to go at this top bolt from up top. I couldn't find myself enough clearance with the MIG welder going at it from underneath. I got a distributor in the garage when I put it here. There's something not right after getting the car put back together again. I got a little bit of an oil leak too around the distributor base, so she kind of f***ed up. It still runs. Yeah. Been driving around for a couple weeks since it happened. So I got a few XJs. I realized that the distributor hold down was missing from this car. So I'm putting that on right now. And I hope that solves the problem. The distributor kind of being loose down there. Because at the moment, all that was there was that bolt holding onto that tab on the like the aluminum casting on the distributor. So it needs I needed that part. Alright, now with the hold down in place, this thing doesn't move anymore. Just so you all know what I'm talking about, I have a distributor here that I can show you. Where is it? So, on the one in the car, there was just the tab that's cast into the distributor body that was holding it on there. That was what was causing the loose motion. So now that the hold down is in place, it's all good. I got another car I can show you the hold down. I don't know why you need to see this. Your car should have it. I'm the only person on earth that bought a Jeep missing all sorts of stuff. Yeah, so this Jeep here has the hold down right there, right here. All right, it's like a rock now. It's not moving around.